Hey everyone, it's Oluchi here. So I stumbled across this makeup trend on YouTube and I thought it would be nice to jump on it and try it out. So it's the fox eye makeup look. Like if you follow me on my channel, you would know that clearly this is not the shape of my eyebrows. I had to like alter, the eyebrows. It gives you that illusion that you've done a procedure on your face, like you've done facelift. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching and I'll see you in my next. So my face is moisturized. I'm going to go on now to apply my foundation. I'll use these two foundations, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation in the shade Espresso, and then in my skin foundation by Nuban Beauty. And so to highlight my face, I'll be taking this Nuban Beauty concealer in the shade 046. It's a bit too light, but I'm going to mix it with my Fenty Beauty concealer. This one is slightly darker. It's not as bright as the other one I used, so I'm just mixing these two shades like so. So for my contour, I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty match stick in the shade Espresso. And to blend out the contour, I will use this BH Cosmetics 137 brush. So I'm done blending with the brush. I like to go in now with my blending sponge just to blend everything in, because somehow whenever I don't use my blending sponge, I feel I haven't totally blended everything in. So that's why I'm using this sponge to further blend my face. And it's wet, it's damp, more like. Taking my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Nutmeg, and I'll set my under eye area like so, and then I'll also set the bridge of my nose and my forehead. Oh yeah, my eyebrow. Did I say eyebrow? My eye. Yeah, it's called. Is it my eyelid? To set my contoured areas, I'll be using this as a bronzer. So I'll just apply that to the areas that I contoured. This powder is from ZKL Cosmetics. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. I'll be taking this red eyeshadow right here. Yes, it's a matte eyeshadow eye paint right here, and I'm going to use this as my blush. I'm gonna try to alter my eyebrow shape. I hope this works. I'll be going in with this dark powder shade here. I'll just use it to define my, my eye crease a bit, and I'll sweep it inwards like this. The next thing I'm going to do is to take my gel liner, Inglot Black gel liner, and with an angled brush, I'm going to smudge it out, or more like I'm going to smoke out this gel liner. So I'm taking the brown eyeshadow to like feather out the liner, so it's not just a wing liner. Then I'm going in with a blending brush just to blend out any harsh line, like so. I'm going to apply some eyeshadow in the inner corner, of my eyes. I'm going to go in with gel liner to finely line the inner corner of my eye, and then I'll drag it out a little bit. Yeah. And now I'm going to pop on some mascara onto my lashes, and this is the MAC Giga Extended Play Giga Lash. I'm just going to get an eyelash, so one out of a pair of lashes, and then I'm going to split it into two, and then I'll use these, like I'll just place the lash, this half of the lash on the outer corner like that. If you're on that boat where you don't let your lash glue dry before you pop it on, let me see you do like this in the comment section below. I never have the patience. So while I let the lash glue dry, I'm just going to go in with my powder brush, and then this powder right here, it's from Zico Cosmetics, and I'm just going to use this to powder my entire face. This right here, the high points over there, and this is from Zico Cosmetics, so just using that. For my lips, I'll go in with this Zico Cosmetics lip stick in Ebony, the shade Ebony. And then this MAC matte lipstick. So I'm just going to go in with this gloss right here. Is the NYX Butter Gloss in Eclair, and it's pink. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips like so. So this is the final look, guys. Don't I look snatched? This is just a facelift without surgery, but it looks interesting. Maybe some days I'll just, you know, turn up like this. So this has to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just let me know what you think about this makeup trend in the comment section below, and then if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.